Hi there, CreativeSarah here, and happy Monday, everybody. I am making the cutest hibiscus tote bag. Look at that pattern. Oh, you guys, I love it. If you want to get the supply list for this project, I'm going to put it right there in the keyword. The keyword this week is hibiscus, Hibiscus. Just type it into the comments, hit enter, and I will send you a message with a link for all the supplies to make this cutie patootie beach bag. Oh my gosh, this tote bag is so cute, and these florals are amazing. So the colors I'm going to use is pesto for all of the leaves that are on here. And then I'm going to do this beautiful ombre effect with the actual hibiscus flowers. I think you're going to love it. I am using bumblebee, I'm using papaya, and I am using a little bit of Couture coral ink. So everything I'm using is ink. This is going to be permanent. We're going to heat set it. I'm going to show you how. I'm going to give you all the directions, and you'll be able to wash this. You'll be able to take it to the pool, to the beach, wherever you want to take your cute hibiscus tote. Okay. So I've already gone ahead and did all of the pesto on here. Now, I forgot to say, if you're new, go ahead and comment hibiscus. What I'll do is I'll send you a message with a link where you can join my free DIY and crafting group. You'll get more ideas, inspiration, and insider information. Along with the entire project supply list, you can click on that link. And you guys, the link for Perks membership. If you are not a Perks member, you can get that by commenting the keyword. You will save 30% on every single order that you place on my website. So I am just adding 3 layers of this ink on here, and then I'm going to use my finger to blend the border of each color. So first the yellow and the papaya, and then I'm going to blend the papaya and the Couture coral before I will peel and reveal this pretty tote bag. Oh my gosh, you guys, it turned out so cute. I just know you're gonna love it. So I did make sure that there's a little bit of water on my table that I can get my finger wet before I blend to make sure. And I'll just get a little bit more ink if I need a little more ink to blend. But you guys, look how cute it turned out. Here we go. Are you ready? Look at that, you guys, it's so cute. Now I made sure to dry this completely. I used a hair dryer or quick dry tool, and then we're going to heat this. If you're using a heat press, you're going to go 300 degrees for 30 seconds, and you'll probably do it twice, inside and out. If you are using an iron, you're just going to go to the cotton setting, and you'll do it for 4 minutes on the front and 4 minutes on the back. You're just going to go by whatever fabric of your bag is, and this is a canvas bag, is 100% cotton. So we're using the cotton setting. Again, the keyword is hibiscus to get all of the supplies and all the links. You guys, look how cute it is. Thank you so much for hanging out with me this Monday. Have a great rest of your night, and make sure you like and follow for more decor.